Somebody addicted to whipped cream. Okay, he went over there. Watch. They already know. Wait for it. Hey there! What's can't see what I'm doing? Some for you. Just a little bit. Take it. There you go. Right there. Some for Sam. Inhale the whole thing. Very good. Some for Lacey. Lacey! 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 Here. You want some on the floor? There. You can get some on the floor. Sam. Don't let anybody else get to it. You can have your treat. Anybody else? Whipped cream? Whipped cream? Party of 3? For Attila? Yeah. For Ishan? Very good. For Bela? Bela? I'm gonna just put some right there. And there he is. Hi. She likes it. She just doesn't like the noise. Alright. You're so addicted! You knew what it was right away. When I pulled it out of the, what is that called? Thing that you put grocery in. A grocery bag. He knew what it was immediately. We're gonna put some olives in it. Make it all pretty. Oh, sorry, dog. Looks like a question mark. Or a 9? Oh well. Oh, I'm gonna drink this and get some life back into me.